Did you know that over 735 million people worldwide suffer from malnutrition? Meet Anna Jacklenick, an NIH-funded investigator at MIT who's using biochemistry and materials science to combat this public health crisis. Her weapon? Microparticles. These tiny bubbles are slightly larger than the diameter of a human hair and are made up of a complex polymer she calls BMC. According to food scientists, most food staples like broth and flour, common in developing nations, lose about 45% of their nutritional content after 3 months of sitting on your pantry shelf. So Anna and her team encapsulated vitamin A into these BMC-containing microparticles. The vitamin A now lasts for 6 hours longer in boiling water, making sure that people can absorb this nutrient after cooking. The team tested these vitamin A containing BMC microparticles in rats, and they absorbed the nutrients 9 times better. Now they are scaling up to humans and working to create a new microparticle that breaks down into naturally occurring sugars and amino acids during cooking. Follow us for more stories about the wonder of BMB and its real-world application.